15.
I have to pee.
10. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Start. 100. Right 3 minus over small crest, tightens 2. Again, this tightens 2. 70, left 4, drop outside. Alright, we got exposures on this one. Caution, this one tightens left 4, tightens 3. Very long, opens over crest. Into right 4, plus. Whoop. Left 5 minus over small crest. 30, stay right over small crest into left 5 plus, opens, tightens 4, don't cut. 30, right 4 over small crest, caution, tightens 3, drop outside, tightens 1. This one tightens 3, then to a 1.
I believe it goes up as well.
Yeah, that's an up. I got that marked for next time.
Thank you.
Hairpin left. 70, caution, right 3 over small crest. Into a left 4 short.
Oh, that's
Woohoo, dang.
not a left 3 short. That was a hairpin left.
That was not.
Come on, Carl.
Hang on, I know. Oh yeah, here's driver C, right 3 plus. Oh, here's the right 3 plus. And left 4 short. Right 4, right 5 minus, tightens 4 over small crest. Left 5, tightens 4 minus. Into right 5. 50. Left 3 short. Again, this is the left 3 short. Into right 3. Into left 4 short. Into right 3 plus. Oh, tightens. Into left 3 plus. Into right 3 minus long. Into a left 4. Opens very long. Here's your left 4 minus very long. Left 5 over small crest. 30, left 4 short, don't cut. Into triple caution, right 5 plus over small crest, tightens 3. Drops, and it opens after the tightens. Kinks 150, right 3 off camber, into left 3. Again, this is a right 3 off camber into left 3. 50, left 3 plus, into left 6. Right 4 over small crest. 30, crest, left 3 plus loose, over the crest here. Right 5 tightens 3 over small jump, loose. Again, this tightens 3 over small jump, loose. 30, left 4 plus. Right 3 minus plus, over crest. Into left 3 plus. Into right 3 plus. Into caution, left 3 plus late, rough over crest. Right 4, opens over crest. Right 5 plus. After the right 5 plus, the left 5 over small crest into right 6. 70, right 5 short into left 5 short. Here's the left 5 short. 30, caution, right 4 plus, drops, opens, tightens 4. Into a left 3 plus. 50, left 4. Small crest. Into right 5, tightens 3 over kick, over long crest, loose. Here's your kick right here.
What?
30, left 5 minus.
Okay.
30, caution, rocks over 30. Stay left over small crest. 30, stay right over small crest. 50, left 3 plus, tightens over crest, into right 5 short.
Oh.
Left 4 minus, 30. Right 4 minus, don't cut. 50, left 4 plus. 50, left 4 plus again. 50, right 5 plus short over small jump, 30, right 5 plus into another small jump. Small jump, so another right 5 in the small jump. 70, small jump, 20, right 5, into left 4 plus long. Right 5 short into crest. Into left 6 over small crest, tightens 5. 30, right 4 over crest, don't go wide. Right 4 minus long. Left 3, don't cut. This is long. After this is left 3, don't cut. Into right 5. 30, left 3 plus opens. 50, right 4 minus loose starts. Again, right 4 minus loose starts. 50, stay left over small crest. Stay left over the small crest. Into right 6 plus. 150. Into the 150 to right 6 plus over small crest. There'll be a fence on both sides.
Watch out for small crest.
Left 5 minus long. Into 30, right 4 minus. Into left 6 plus. 70, break, right 5 plus, into turn, right 3, over small crest, unseen. This is right 3 plus, unseen. There you go. Into left 5.
Hold on.
Yeah. 100, right 5 plus